How to close saving account on Bank of America. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video presentation, before we delve into today's topics, here's a heads up, and if you're considering closing your Bank of America savings account, you can have three convenient options: in person, over the phone, or through the email. I have a detailed guide to assist you through the process, so let's get started. Firstly, talking about in-person option, if you prefer face-to-face interactions, visit a nearby Bank of America financial center. An insider tip is that schedule an appointment for a more personalized experience, and this allows you to discuss any questions, concerns, and receive expert advice tailored to your needs. Next, if you prefer handling things over a call, dial their hotline with your account number ready. Review details on their website for added assurance before the call. And lastly, for a written approach, opt for the email option, send a concise request with the essential details, and ensure all the account owners sign it. If your account has a balance, decide whether to transfer it to another Bank of America account or receive it as a cashier's check. For higher balances, notarization is required for the added security. Whether in person, over the phone, or through email, you're now prepared to smoothly close your Bank of America savings account. So if you found this video to be helpful, please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more guides, tips, and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.